Mushrooms are culinary treasures. Low in calories but loaded with nutrients, mushrooms are also called the powerhouse of nutrition. Of late, commercial mushroom cultivation in Nagaland has picked up, popularizing mushroom cultivation units both home and industry-based. Intrigued by the prospect, a young Naga scientist, Dr. Susang Longkamer, has dedicated himself to study and grow mushrooms. The 37-year-old social entrepreneur, director Kungar Agritech, based in Dimapur, Nagaland, has been researching different kinds of mushrooms for the last 4 years. In October 2019, Dr. Susang successfully cultivated and produced exotic shiitake mushrooms in Nagaland, opening a new chapter for their farming in the state.
Why Nagaland is important for shiitake cultivation? Because there are a few prospects that I want to highlight. That is, we have very good climatic condition, Nagaland and the other northeast states, hilly states. So the temperature is very suitable for shiitake and other high-valued mushrooms. And the second is the availability of natural resources. That is, especially Nagaland, we have Nagaland and Manipur, we have oak-dominated forests. So where there is oak-dominated forest, that is the natural indicator that the shiitake will thrive well. Shiitake will fruit well. And the third point is the market demand. So like in mainland India, they are unable to do cultivation of shiitake in logs due to various factors like climatic factors and ban on cutting tree logs and all. Whereas in our northeast state, and especially in Nagaland, due to our landowner right, we can utilize the forest resources based on the ownership. So we have the advantage in those two. But I want to appeal to all the farmers, and also I would like to strictly inform that I will not give the spawn to those people who cut the entire tree, but I will be giving to those people who are following few conditions such as cutting the tree branches and practicing tree pollarding. So this way we are saving the forest also.
Highlighting the huge growth in demand for shiitake and oyster mushroom spawns, Dr. Susang informs that they have made about 15 lakhs shiitake towel spawns and more than 10,000 kg of oyster mushroom spawns. There are approximately 200 independent shiitake farmers and 300 independent oyster mushroom farmers, and a good number of self-help groups benefiting from them.
Few of the farmers, they are getting very good results, and many more farmers are yet to get the result because they have cultivated early this year. So it will be fruiting at the end of this year or early next year. However, with the good results that they are getting, the government is also showing good interest, and they are, helping out the farmer through various schemes and projects. So one of the project that is ongoing as a pilot project is by the Department of Forest, Government of Nagaland, under the JICA funding. And there are 3 districts, Mokokchung, Kohima and Tuinsang, and all of them are showing good, prospect. Some early fruiting have been observed, and we are expecting to have bulk fruiting at the end of this year. Another agency, that is Nagaland State Rural Livelihood Mission, they have also tried early this year by few SHGs, and namely this Mokokchung district, they have shown very good result. So with that result, the department is planning to upgrade in a very large scale all over Nagaland for shiitake cultivation. So these are some of the good news and the initiative taken by our government in relation to the shiitake cultivation. So let's hope that very soon, in a couple of years, we will be producing shiitake in a large amount so that can be supplied to all over India.
Dr. Susang, who also actively engaged in training farmers and entrepreneurs in mushroom and particularly shiitake cultivation since then strongly advocates making Nagaland a market for exotic mushrooms in the future.
This shiitake has a lot of demand in India because as a medicine, like since it is not grown in India, so people import it from abroad. But now we have the opportunity to grow and send it to the mainland India. Now we have advantage here. Why? Because there is one agriculture or horticulture product, one of the such product which they cannot do, but we can do. So we have to take advantage of this opportunity. Now the second thing is, this is shiitake log, diameter of about 5 to 6 inches and height is about 1 feet. So you will see in Amazon.com as well as in Amazon.in ready to fruit shiitake log. Now in Amazon.com they charge $29 and in Amazon.in they charge about 3,000 rupees. 3,000. Now this will hardly fruit about 200 gram of shiitake every year for 5 years, but the demand is very high. So if we can also, cultivate, let the fungus eat up, colonize the entire log, and if we can export it or send it to mainland India for fruiting and all, then there will be a lot of customers who will buy it.
With this, Dr. Susang hopes that farmers who grow mushrooms can become an asset to the economy of Nagaland.